Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2, fractions, decimals and rational numbers. In that, exercise 6. Okay, the question is given: solve the following. Solve the following. Okay, in that first question is given 0.3 into 6. What nana? 0.3 into 6. We know 0.3, it is a decimal number, it is a whole number. Okay, no? See, just a casual multiplication here. There is no point. Without point you write means ఇక్కడ 0.3 ఉంది కదా. There is no point. Point లేదనుకుంటే that is nothing but without point by writing the digits means that is 03. That is nothing but simply what nana? 3. Yes. So 3 into 6. That is what nana? 3 6 are 18. So we get here 0.3 into 6 means we get what nana? That is 18. But here how many after point here how many decimal places are there? One decimal place is there now. So that's why the result from right side you just after one digit you keep it. So that is nothing but 1.8. Okay na students? So now the next one, the next question, fourth one I am taking, that is 19.7. 19.7 into 4 is equals to what? See clearly, 19.7 into 4. 19.7 is a decimal number, 4 is a whole number. Without point write the digits. ఇక్కడ point లేకుండా digits రాసేయండి. That is what? 197. That is nothing but 197. Just multiplied 197 with 4. 4 7s are 28. 8 here. 4 9s are 36. 36 ki to add cheste that is 38. Again cancel it and write here. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 that is 7. Okay. We get that is what nana? 788. The product of 197 and 4. We get 788. So now see here, right here 788. But here how many decimal places are there? Point after how many decimal places? One decimal place is there. That's why in result from right to left side, one number after you just keep a point. That is nothing but 78.8. Okay na? So like this we can multiply. Now see how to multiply the two decimal numbers at a time. I am taking my own question, that is 2.53 into 1.2. 2.53 into 1.2. So 2.53 is a decimal number, 1.2 also decimal number. So simply you just take the product of without point. Without point, ఇక్కడ point లేకుండా you write the numbers. That is nothing but 253 into that is 12. Is it clear, my dears? Is it okay for you? Without point number raste that is 253 into without point 1.2 means that is nothing but 12. Now do the actual multiplication. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 2s are 4, 4 ki 1 add cheste that is 5. Okay na? Next, going to the tens place, 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2. We get that is 6, 0 plus 3 3, 5 plus 5 10, here 1, that is 3. So the product of 253 and 12, that is nothing but 3036 we get. 3036. But here how many how many digits are there? In first decimal number, point after 2 digits are there. In second decimal number, point after 1 digit are there. So totally 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 3. Yes. So in result also, from right to left, 3 number of the you keep your point. That is nothing but 3.036. Are you understood it? In first decimal number, point after in decimal place 2 digits are there. In second decimal number, point after in decimal place 1 digit is there. That's why 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. In result, from right to left side, after 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, you just keep a point. So that is nothing but 3.036. So like this, you can multiply the decimal numbers. Okay. Now see the second question. The second question is given, find the area of a rectangle. Second question, find the area of a rectangle whose length is 6.2 centimeter. Whose length is 6.2 centimeter and breadth is, that is 4 centimeter. Okay. So what is the area? Find the area of a rectangle whose length is 6.2 centimeter and the breadth is 4 centimeter. Draw the diagram for rectangle. This is a rectangle. We know this is the length of a rectangle and this is the breadth of a rectangle. The length of a rectangle is given what? That is 6.2 centimeter and the breadth of a rectangle is given, that is 4 centimeter. We know what is the area of a rectangle, Nana? Yeah, the area of a rectangle is, that is length into breadth. Area of a rectangle, that is equals to length into breadth, the product of length and breadth. Area is always square units. Okay. Now length means given what? That is 6.2 centimeter into breadth means that is given 4 centimeter. Okay. So square units na area is always, that's why square centimeters. 6.2 into 4. ఇక్కడ వితౌట్ పాయింట్ లేకుండా మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయండి, ఏమొస్తుంది? దట్ ఈజ్ 62 into 4. సార్ నా వితౌట్ పాయింట్ 6.2, దట్ ఈజ్ 62 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 6 are 24. That is what, Nana? We get 248. But in decimal number 6.2, point after how many digits are there? 1 digit in decimal place. That's why in result also, from right to left side, one number after one number before we keep a point. Is it clear? That is nothing but 24.8 square centimeters. So this is the area of a rectangle with the given measurements. Okay. Now see the next main. Next third main, solve the following. What is the question, Anna? Third main, solve the following. That first question is given 21.3 into 10. 21.3 into 10. Okay. Now see, my dears, we know 21.3 is a decimal number, 10 is a whole number. We would have a condition when a decimal is multiplied by a power of 10. Okay, when a decimal is multiplied by a power of 10, the decimal number ఓకేనా. ఈ డెసిమల్ నెంబర్లో ఉన్న ఈ పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, దిస్ ఈజ్ షిఫ్ట్ టు రైట్ సైడ్ యాజ్ మెనీ యాజ్ జీరోస్ ఇన్ ఏ మల్టిప్లయర్. మనకి మల్టిప్లయర్లో ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉంటే ఈ పాయింట్ ఏమవుతుంది, రైట్ సైడ్ అన్ని ప్లేసెస్ షిఫ్ట్ అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ జంప్ అయిపోతుంది. సీ హియర్ ఇక్కడ 21.3 into 10. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మల్టిప్లయర్? మల్టిప్లయర్ అనేది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 10. పవర్ ఆఫ్ 10 అంటే 10 power 1 10, 10 power 2 100, 10 power 3 that is 1000, like this. Is it clear? These are the power of 10 and so on. Okay, now 21.3 into 10. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి మనకి మల్టిప్లయర్లో హౌ మెనీ జీరోస్ ఆర్ దేర్? 1 0 ఉంది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? దట్స్ వై ద పాయింట్ జంప్ టు రైట్ సైడ్ 1 place. అంటే ఈ పాయింట్ 1 side ఇట్ షిఫ్ట్ అయితే రైట్ సైడ్, దెన్ వాట్ వీ గెట్? దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 2 1 3. అంటే 3 ఆఫ్టర్ పాయింట్ వస్తుంది. దెర్ ఆర్ నో నెంబర్స్ నా. దట్స్ వై 21.3 into 10 that is equals to 230. ఓకేనా? So see one more question in this main, that is 168.07 into 100. 168.073 168.073 into 100. Now see, in a multiplier how many zeros are there? మనకి multiplier ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? We are multiplying 168.037 with 100, that is power of 10. ఇందులో ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి? There are 2 zeros. Yes, the number of zeros are 2. That's why the point jump to right side, I mean shift to how many places? 2 places షిఫ్ట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే దట్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్న పాయింట్ కాస్త 7 తర్వాత వస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈజ్ 16807.3. సో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 16,807.3. సో లైక్ దిస్ యూ కెన్ మల్టిప్లై ద decimal numbers. Now see one more. Now the question number 3, I am taking my own 793.8 into 1000. Okay, 793.8 into 1000. Clearly in a multiplier 1000 is a power of 10. So how many number of zeros are there? ఇక్కడ number of zeros ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? బట్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి డెసిమల్ ప్లేసెస్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? ఓన్లీ in decimal place only one number is there. So that's why what I am doing here, I am writing this one 793.800, 2 zeros పెట్టేస్తున్నా. So that the value is nothing changed. 793.8 అన్న ఒకటే, 793.800 also same one. Okay na? Into 1000. Now clearly in a multiplier there are 3 zeros, so that's why the point jump to, I mean the point is shifted to 3 places right side. So that is nothing but 793,800. So we get that is 7,93,800. So like this we can multiply the decimal numbers with the power of 10. Is it clear, my dears? So this is the required answer for these questions. You to practice the remaining questions in the first main and third main. Okay, thank you.